the expression 1 plus 2y square plus y cube by y, 1 plus 2y square plus y cube by y is 1 by y plus 2y plus y square. Is this a monomial? No, just multiple terms. Is this a binomial? No. Is this a trinomial? No. It is very crucial. It is not a polynomial. In any polynomial, a polynomial can have any number of terms, can have any degree, but it should have non-negative integer powers for its variables. Fine. It can have 100 terms. It can have plus or minus. It can have 23 variables. Fine. But it cannot have a 1 by y. It cannot have a square root of y. Every variable that is there and every power in any monomial, each monomial which is a part of a polynomial, the powers of each variable have got to be non-negative integers. So square root, cube root, you're out. 1 by y square, you're out. So this expression is not even a polynomial.